Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Stitch Fix and it came a little early and I wasn't really expecting it. So I did try everything on. I've lost a few nails in the process. When you open that box, you get an envelope that has all of your information in it. You also get this priority mail envelope that you can send your items back in case you don't want to keep the fix, or if you want to keep, there's 5 pieces. If you only want to keep 1 out of the 5 or 4 out of the 5, you send the other back. And that's, the shipping is no charge to you. And you get in the envelope, you get a letter from your stylist and information about how to wear your items, styling ways for your items. And then also you get your price list. And I did already open this up so that I could look at it and try it on for you. And I'll show you what I've got. I'm gonna I'll go through the try-ons and then I'll be back. Here's the first one, and I do like it. I have very similar things, so I'd have to look in my closet. And the tags are in the back, so they might be bothering a little bit. But it has a nice length to it. I can wash it. It has a V-neck here. These are pinned up. I don't think they unbutton, which is fine with me. And the pattern, I don't know what you call that pattern. Sort of, I guess, an animal print. I do have a few things like it, so I'm not sure. I like this as well, but I do have similar things. And again, the 3/4 sleeve tab. And this looks like it may be the same manufacturer. I didn't look at it, but I do like it. It's my style, that's for sure. It is a little, the fabric itself is like a little puckery, so it's a little bit different. I do like it. I like the colors, but I have similar, so I'll see. This is very beautiful. I love the pattern. I love this going on here, a couple little pleats. But I do not like these sleeves at all. But this is really pretty for spring coming on. I love the length. I would have to wear a sweater with it because I do not like the sleeves at all. I don't like my big arm showing. The sleeve is really cute though. See, it doubles over. It's super cute. I just don't like it because my arms are too big. I just don't like to show my arms off. But I do like it. I think it's really pretty. With a sweater, it would be pretty. They did send this sweater. It's a blue. I don't know that it goes with this. I don't think it doesn't go with it. You probably could wear it. It doesn't have any blue in the blouse though. I really think that pattern, that flower pattern is so pretty. This has a rib sleeve here, and it has these little pops, little pills or whatever on there. I'll show you the pattern when I sit down. This is a long sweater. I like it. It's thin. You can see that. It's rather thin. It does have pockets. The tags are in the back, so I think it's messing up back there. But it's a nice sweater. Nice sweater. I like it. They sent me some pants. These are button here, and they are zip, and they have pockets. I wanted to show you that. And it goes great with this blouse. It's a purple pant. Really pretty. They go to my ankles and they turn up. Let me see if I can, I don't know if I can get that down that low. So to me, they're a little short looking. I've got a big poof of fur on me. I'll turn around, let's see. There are pockets in the back. I think they're real pockets. They're sewn shut. Yeah, they're real pockets back there. I don't like the turned up. I wish that they were not turned up. So my stylist is Larissa, and she writes to me about it, and this is my 12th fix. They tell you that in your note, which is very nice in your notes. How this works, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's just a lot of fun. It saves me time having to go shopping. And I was offered the Style Pass, which somebody told me was $49. I couldn't remember the price of it last time, but it doesn't really matter what it costs because what it costs, you get back when you buy clothes. it's your style pass. If you don't get the style pass, the styling fee is $20. And if you keep anything, they take that $20 right off the top. So if you join under me, normally you get $25 off. And so your first fix will be completely free for you to receive. And then if you decide to keep anything, you know, you'll pay for your clothing and you'll get that $20 off. And then the next time you'll get if you keep anything, you'll get $25 off. If you send it all back, you can try again on another fix and just pay the $15 difference on the styling fee. And then you will get to decide if you want to keep anything. I've had a few people sign up under me and they've really enjoyed the service as well. It is lots and lots of fun. And the clothing is really good quality, really good quality. So it's worth it for me, definitely. So let's see what they sent me. Their price ranges are pretty good. So I did say that they could try some pants, but I'm just picky about pants because I don't fit into a particular size properly. When I went through the beginning, you fill out all kinds of stuff so that they get to know you and your sizing. And I think they asked measurements and they suggested 2X for me. I normally wear a 1X, so I did go with the 2X. I wear it like 16, 18, but I can wear some 18, 20s. You know, it depends on the outfits. So I went with the 2X. So this actually is from them. I love it. And I've got a whole new wardrobe, really. So the first thing I have, I've piled them up over here, is this. This is a bit of a heavy fabric, nylon, I would say. I did ask them not to send me rayon anymore because it's hard to wash. And they, Larissa, my stylist, acknowledges that for me. I ask mostly for blouses and sweaters and things like that. You can get anything. There's purses, there's jewelry, there's shoes. You can get this for you. You can get this for the man in your life. You can get this for your children. They serve all clientele. And this is, let's see what it is. I don't even know. It is by the brand. I've had this brand before, Beacon Apparel, and I like it. So Beacon Apparel, this is the Patty Roll Tab Knit Top. I have this top in different pattern. And this is $42, and it is in the 2X. So they just call this black, but it has a nice pattern to it, which is similar to some things that I have. But I did go to my closet and look, and I don't really have this pattern in particular. So I do like this one, $42. So I'm not sure. We're gonna see how things go, okay? Next up, I think next what I tried was this one. And this again, I thought was very similar to something that I have, and it is. I do have some green items, but I do like this also. It has, the fabric has a little bit of a woven, not woven, I don't know. It's not quite flat. It's got a little bit of a texture. That's the best way I can describe it. It's very pretty. It has gold and white flowers on it. Very pretty pattern. I think I have this pattern maybe in a purple. It seems very similar to me. And this one is by Hawthorne, which I do like that. Company 41 Hawthorne. It is, this is called the Maury Split Neck 3/4 Sleeve. I do have one that's called that. So the style itself I have, maybe, but I don't have this print, of course. They don't send you the same print. This one they just call green, and it is $45. And for me, I love the tunic length. So I like that one. Next up, I think this is Monday Fun. Let's see. I do like the brand Monday Fun. This is beautiful. This pattern, y'all, I love this pattern. I wish the sleeve was a little bit longer. They may even have this blouse in a longer sleeve pattern. It has some yellow in it. It has that beautiful lilac and the white. And then the background is maybe a dark teal. The background is like this background, but it's less of the background. If you can see, it's hard to see, but it's beautiful. And I love the, there's some stitching here that is very beautiful. So this is $39 and they just call it purple. And I love it, but I do not like the sleeve for myself. Now everybody's different, but the sleeve is very pretty. It's a fluttery, beautiful, this would be a beautiful Easter top. but I don't like the sleeve. And I don't want to be restricted to have to wear a sweater over something all the time. So I'm going to pass on this, but I wish if they have this in a different sleeve, I'm going to ask them I'm going to ask them for it. But probably not, since they sent me that sleeve, since I've told them I don't care for those kinds of sleeves. So that was $39. And then is the sweater. Hey y'all, the sweater is, what's the brand of the sweater? Sometimes it's hard to find on your list. This is Letty and Me, and I do like this brand. I've had several things from them. This is a thin sweater. It is a pretty color. It has these little, what is that? Oh, there's a little mark on it or something right there. It has these little tiny holes right here every so often in these lines, and these little like pops or blisters. Well, I don't know what you call them. Blisters isn't a nice name, but it's a nice sleeve with the ribbing there, and it has pockets, which I really like. And this sweater is only $44. Is that right? Yeah, which is a good price on their sweaters. I do like it. I don't know that I have enough to go with it though, but I do like it. I'm gonna look around and see, because it's nice. It's a nice springtime sweater, and that ribbing that's around the wrist is also at the bottom. So, and you know, it's just an open style sweater. I like it. And now the pants. Now I am picky about pants, and these are, I love them. They're beautiful. That color is beautiful. They call it burgundy. To me, it's more like an aubergine because it has more purple to it than red. But you know, that's just me getting picky about colors. This is filled with cat hair at the moment. I'll have to clean them up. These were rolled up, and I didn't know until I took them off that they roll down. So I probably would like the length of these. I'm gonna try them on again. I did not like them rolled up. I'd have to iron that out probably to get that out. Because it made them a little short. It would be cute with sandals, but sometimes you wanna wear shoes, and they were a little short rolled up to wear with shoes and socks, in my opinion. I know a lot of people these days wear shoes without socks, and I just am not, my feet don't like that. So these are 41 Hawthorne brand. Were very nice. They have pockets in the back. They have cute stitching around, pockets in the back, pockets in the front. They were nice. They felt a little big on me, but they're an 18W, which is what I wear, 16W, 18W. So they should fit me, and maybe they're supposed to be that way, but they're $78. Now that sounds like a lot of money for pants to me, but if I kept everything, and I do like everything basically, the whole total is $248. The buy all discount, you get 25% off if you buy everything, so $62 off. So the total would be $186, and the shipping is free. So I think this is well worth $186 for these 5 pieces. But personally, I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep, because that short sleeve, I'm not interested in. Although y'all, that pattern, it's so pretty. So pretty. I wish I could get over showing my arms. I have gotten a couple of sleeves that have been shorter like that, but maybe they're just a little bit this way. They're not so almost like it was sleeveless to me, and I just don't do sleeveless. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep. Y'all let me know what you think. If I have a discount bigger than the $25, I will put it in the description. I'll put it on my community tab as well. And I hope that y'all take advantage of it if it's something that you'd like to try. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.